Today I'm going to teach you how to remove your digital signature from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to revoke a signature, make changes to a document, or simply start fresh with a new signing process. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the files you need to modify. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your PDF documents. Next, navigate to Recent Files to locate the document you need to work with. This section displays all the PDFs you've accessed recently, making it quick and easy to find what you're looking for. Once you spot the file containing the digital signature you want to remove, go ahead and select it to open it. Now that your document is open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here, you'll find the Edit option. Click on it to access the editing tools. This is where Adobe Acrobat gives you control over various elements within your PDF, including text, images, and signatures. After clicking Edit, you'll see the Select Text button appear in the toolbar. Click on this button, then proceed to click Select. This step activates the selection mode, allowing you to interact with specific elements on your document page. It's an essential function that lets you pinpoint exactly what you want to modify or delete. With the selection mode now active, locate the digital signature you wish to remove from your document. Click directly on that signature to highlight it. You'll notice it becomes selected, indicating that you can now perform actions on it. Once it's highlighted, look for the delete button or the trash icon that appears. Click on either of these to remove the signature from your PDF. This action permanently deletes the digital signature from that particular document. Finally, to ensure all your changes are saved properly, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on it to save your modified document. This step is crucial because it locks in the removal of the signature and updates your file accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a digital signature from your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.